I am deeply contented with my life and grateful for the many blessings that surround me. While I may not be the most striking person someone might meet, I wholeheartedly embrace and appreciate everything that God has given me. I cherish my unique features, my skin color, hair type, height, and weight, all of which make me who I am. I value my culture, which shapes identity and roots me in traditions that enrich my life. This mindset has taught me to focus on what truly matters and find joy in the present. With this attitude, I am also grateful for the material possession I have. No matter how modest they may seem, they serve as reminders of the hard work and sacrifices that have been made for me. Social media influencers to play a role in my life by inspiring me with their stories and encouraging me to be a better version of myself. Their positivity motivates me to see the beauty in everyday moments. Above all, my family and faith are the cornerstones of my contentment. My family provides unwavering support, love, and guidance, which I treasure deeply. My faith in God gives me strength and perspective, helping me to navigate life's challenges with hope and gratitude. Every blessing, big or small, as a reflection of God's grace in my life. And lastly, I have come to understand that life isn't about having everything. It's about recognizing and appreciating what you already have. I am content. I am now. I have what I need. And for that, I am profoundly thankful. My life may not be perfect, but it is uniquely mine, and I embrace it with a heart full of gratitude and contentment.